टोटल गज़वात 27। कुरान मजीद में 12 गज़वात का जिक्र है। गज़वा अबवा 1 हिजरी को, गज़वा बदर 2 हिजरी को, गज़वा उहद 3 हिजरी को, गज़वा खंदक जिसे अहज़ाब भी कहते हैं 5 हिजरी को, गज़वा खैबर 7 हिजरी को, गज़वा मौता 8 हिजरी को, गज़वा तबूक 9 हिजरी को, बैतुर रिज़वान 6 हिजरी को, सुलह हुदैबिया 6 हिजरी को, फ़तह मक्का 8 हिजरी को, हज फ़र्ज 9 हिजरी को। 1 पेपर कंप्यूटर MCQs। The computers of the first generation used vacuum tube. The first numerically used computer UNIVAC. UNIVAC stand for Universal Automatic Computer. The computers of second generation used transistors. The famous computer of the second generation IBM 1401. The computers of third generation used integrated circuits. Microprocessor is used in fourth generation. Fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence. Captain Cook was the first man to set foot on all 5 continents. Asia is the largest continent in area-wise. Australia is the smallest continent in area-wise. Africa has the most countries. Antarctica was the lowest temperature recorded continent. Short-sighted lens concave with a long-sighted lens convex. Rear view convex. Dental mirror concave. Car headlight concave. Human eye 576 MP megapixel. Human eyes by convex. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the first Governor General of Pakistan, and his period was between 5 August 1947 to 11 September 1948. 1 year and 26 days. Khaja Nizamuddin was the second Governor General of Pakistan, and his period was from 14/9/1948 to 16/10/1951. 3 years, 1 month, 3 days. Malik Ghulam Muhammad was the third and longest tenure as the Governor General of Pakistan, and his period was from 1910/1951 to 5/10/1955. 3 years, 11 months, 16 days. Major General Iskandar Mirza had the shortest tenure as the Governor General of Pakistan. His period was from 6 October 1955 to 23 March 1956. 5 months, 17 days. After that, he was first President of Pakistan 23 March 1956 to 27 October 1958. There are 9 member countries in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO, headquarter Beijing, China. SCO founded in 2001. The trick to remember SCO countries: Indian truck in Pakistan, Iran, I say India, New Delhi. ईरान में तेहरान है, इंडिया न्यू दिल्ली, ताजिकिस्तान द्यूशंब, रशिया में मॉस्को, उज़्बेकिस्तान में ताशकंद, चाइना में बीजिंग, किर्गिस्तान में बिश्केक, कजाकिस्तान में आस्ताना, पाकिस्तान में इस्लामाबाद. Pakistan and India joined SCO in 2017. Iran is the newest member of SCO. The smallest country and smallest city in the world is Vatican City. Vatican City, a city-state surrounded by Rome, Italy. Vatican City is the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. The Pope and Holy See reside in Vatican City. Vatican City was established as an independent state in 1929. It was established through Lateran Treaty between the Holy See and Italy. All about Commonwealth HQ, headquarters London, UK. Founded 1931. Member state 56. Pakistan joined in 1947. Pakistan left 1972. Again Pakistan joined 1989. National anthem was written by Hafiz Jalandhari in 1952. The music was composed by Ahmad G. Chagla in 1949. preceding the lyrics. It was officially adopted as Pakistan national anthem on 13 August 1954. Ahmad Rashidi recorded the national anthem of Pakistan in 1954. 15 lines in the national anthem of Pakistan, 48 words in the national anthem of Pakistan. National anthem of Pakistan was played for the first time in front of Raza Shah Pahlavi of Iran. The first national anthem of Pakistan was played on Pakistan National Radio on 14 August 1947. 80 seconds is the duration of the national anthem of Pakistan.